Good morning, friends. Welcome to Vlogmas Day 23. It's travel day and it's early. We're up at 5:30 a.m. I'm up a little before everybody else and trying to be on the road by 6 o'clock. Today we're gonna head to Virginia, but first we have to stop in Durham to pick up my bonus daughter. First, we have to pick up my bonus daughter, Raeghan, in Durham. And then after that, we're heading to Fredericksburg. And my parents live there. We're spending Christmas at their house. So, if you like realistic travel days, early morning vlogs, and the Vlogmas chaos, grab a coffee and come along with me. The house is super dark and super quiet this morning. Everyone is moving slow this morning, but somehow we always make it happen. I try my best to pack everything the night before, but of course there's always last minute things, snacks, chargers, and stuff that you just can't forget. And I'm just trying to get my life and wake up and make sure that they all have everything we need before we hit the road for this trip. And instead of opting for coffee this morning, I'm adding an energy drink powder to my water so that way I'm hydrating and getting that little bit of energy and caffeine boost to make it through this 6-hour drive. Hey y'all, me and the kids are in the car ready to go, waiting on my husband, and I woke him up late because he said he was just gonna get up and hop in the car, you know, and then now he's talking about we can't rush perfection. It's almost 6:15, so we're waiting on him. I-10 by 10. We are officially on the road. The kids are settled in, it's still dark outside, and I'm running on caffeine and holiday spirit. Will you sleep? Our first stop is in Durham to pick up Raeghan. Once she's with us, we'll be heading straight to Virginia. All right, y'all, everybody's here.
should be smooth sailing from here on out. I don't know if we're gonna stop for breakfast, but Fredericksburg is our next stop. Anyways, Fredericksburg is our next stop. I don't know why I gotta feed them. I'm doing the hard work. I'm driving. Yeah. You know, 6'7", bro. Some strawberry jam.
Some preserves.
And grape. Yeah. Yes.
Of course, we had to make a quick breakfast stop because no one is surviving a road trip without food.
Merry Christmas. He was flirting with me.
I'm sitting right here.
I know, I'm cute. Bacon, egg, and cheese.
I got bacon.
This is always one of my favorite parts. Slow mornings, even on a travel day. Yes, we want to get there, but we're in no rush.
Well, we just arrived at my parents' house in Virginia, right around 12 o'clock, like I said. And there's nothing like pulling up after a long drive and you can finally relax.
Well, I took 4 naps, so I don't have to rest.
I
took 0 naps because Kia can't drive.
What you got?
That's it for Vlogmas Day 23. Thank you for traveling with us. If you're enjoying Vlogmas so far, make sure you like this video, comment, and subscribe so you can come back and join us tomorrow for Vlogmas Day 24. All right, y'all. Bye. Yeah.
Oh,